Do it. Hey, don't say it. Do it.
Look at him real quick.
I can't. Jacob. Whoa.
Mess around and give my
Hey, go swim.
Mama, you done? Tom!
Is it cold?
Yeah.
No.
It is?
It's very dirty.
Okay.
You not going in?
I will.
She's staying right there. It's the farthest she ever got at the house.
This is the farthest.
Damn, he's too far.
Why are you crying?
Man, that's not even far.
You can't run all the way in the water, nigga.
Don't run. Just go over there. Hey.
Hey, you see that? Primary target right there.
Hey man, make sure you got some drawers on.
Oh man.
Hi, Jeremiah.
This is going to everybody.
Hi, everybody. Happy Father's
Man, this better
Day.
not go on no Facebook. Face that too.
Hope you have a good Father's Day. Moms treat you well, also as well as your children. And we are here at Folsom, enjoying the cool breeze. It's getting
not
hot
no cool
in
breeze.
Sacramento. Bye-bye.
Are we allowed to be over here on Sunday? Huh?
Why?
Go get mad at me. It's over.
Why?
Because you always try to keep us in the house on Sunday.
Only what you feel like.
Just kicking.
Just geeking. We just geeking.
Just kicking.
We're just
Nothing
geeking
wrong
the ball.
with that.
Oh, that's how it starts. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't see nothing wrong, bro.
Man, do you all talk, man?
The
Uh-oh.
shirt is coming off.
Uh-oh.
The target is in sight. Uh-oh. The excuse is thrown out there. That is number one. You get two exceptions. Oh, now he's thinking very hard. Thinking harder. Looking away, that's a sign of weakness. Oh, he's looking
Sad,
serious.
Jack. Look, you're not
It's the serious look.
that.
The game face is on.
Jonah is fun.
Hey man, go do it already. Go do it.
Don't doing squats in the water?
Forget the kids. Forget the kids.
Man, come on, man. I'm wasting my film. You're wasting my film.
Game time. Oh, game time. Game time. What time is it?
Proper technique.
What time is it? What time is it? Oh.
And I was weak.
Yeah, that was a major win. How could you miss that?
No rated.
How could you miss that old man? I mean, he's old.
Look at this little kid walking. Where your parents at, man?
Where's your daddy? Oh, I see him.
Where?
In my bed. Hey, go hit those kids.